Hey, Alex here. So I'm really excited about something that I've been working on over the last few weeks, and I want to talk to you about it. What I'm talking about is, of course, popcorn. No, not that kind of popcorn. I'm talking about popcorn theme, which is a theme that I've developed alongside Phil and Carl. When I say I've developed, Phil's done most of the techie stuff, but myself and Carl have been giving him input and helping him, in general, with the marketing and with ideas and all that kind of stuff.
That's helpful.
And during my little break that I'm on at the moment from YouTube, I've been spending a lot of time with popcorn theme, and it's got me really excited. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing that's new in popcorn version 2 is the patterns. Now, if you're not familiar with patterns, it's a feature of Gutenberg. They're a bit like blocks, but they're more styled, more designed. More interesting might be one word for it. And yeah, you find them within Gutenberg, just here. And yeah, they're really cool, especially within popcorn theme, because they have been specifically designed for niche website owners. So let me share with you a few of the patterns that come with popcorn theme version 2. The first one is this one, which is, well, we've called it an alert box, but it could be a notification box. It could be a make your content really pop box. It's great for tips. It's great to kind of share snippets of information within your content. And yeah, as I said, it kind of makes your content pop because it breaks up the blocks of text, stands out, catches your visitor's eye, and yeah, just looks really good. It comes in 4 colors, but you can customize it to your heart's desire. The second pattern that's really exciting is the product boxes. Look at these bad boys. They're basically designed so that you can show off affiliate products. You can share, what's good about a product, what's not so good about a product. We've got some that are in columns so that you can compare different products. Really cool. Saves you from having a plugin like AAWP or Amalinks. And yeah, it's just a great way of presenting your products. Now, of course, I used to present products before with Popcorn version 1, but that took a little bit more time because I was just using the standard Gutenberg blocks. With these patterns, it's really quick, really easy, and yeah, really straightforward to get your products in your content and get them looking fantastic. The third pattern I want to share with you, and by the way, there's much more than obviously 3 different types of patterns, but these are the most exciting. The third one is the step-by-step guide pattern. Not really a catchy name for it, but basically it's this one, and it allows you to kind of share a process in a really clear and elegant way. So, maybe you've got 5 steps on how to boil an egg. This is the pattern for you because you can put those 5 steps within this. And yeah, it looks great. So they're the patterns. The next thing that's new in Popcorn version 2 is the site editor. Now, I'm not going to go into this in too much detail because it's quite a powerful tool. But basically, it allows you to customize all of the elements of the site. Now, before, Popcorn was maybe slightly restrictive in terms of what you could and couldn't do in terms of the design. But with this, you could do whatever you like. I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, of course. Maybe you don't want to do anything you like. Maybe you just want to put your content on, which is fine, of course, as well. But if you do want to, really customize the site, then the site editor allows you to do this. Let me show you kind of how it works. You basically can click on any elements that you like within a page. So maybe you want to edit the header, you want to move the menu around, you want to move the logo around, that's fine, you can do that. Maybe you want to edit the footer, maybe you want to edit the sidebar. Basically, you can edit whatever you like, and yeah, it's all within WordPress, all within the site editor, and it's pretty easy to use once you get your head around it. And of course, we've now got a whole load of support documents to help you do that. Speaking of support documents, so Popcorn version 1, we were new to the WordPress theme game. We just released the theme and we sold the theme, and we didn't really have too much in terms of support or articles, tutorials, that kind of thing.
Hello, IT. Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Well, all that's changed with Popcorn version 2. We now have a document website. It's this one. It's getting updated all the time, full of tutorials, full of articles from myself and from Carl and from Phil. So we're making it easier for you to learn Popcorn and get the most out of the theme. So there we have it. They're the new features of Popcorn themes that have got me really excited. The patterns especially are super cool. And I should say that even though we have added extra features to Popcorn, it's still super fast, which was one of the best things about Popcorn version 1. It will easily pass Web Core Vitals, and easily pass the Google PageSpeed score thing, and just generally, improve the performance of your website. It's still super fast and super lean. Now, if you don't yet have a license for Popcorn and you're interested, it's just $99, and that gives you an unlimited site license, so you can use it on as many websites as you like. And as I said at the beginning of this video, I've got a coupon code for you, just for you guys that have watched this video. If you go to popcorntheme.com, go and add Popcorn Theme to your basket, go to the checkout, you'll see there's a coupon box thing field at the top of the checkout. If you enter the coupon PERFECT, just the word perfect, you'll get 10% off your purchase. So enjoy. Let me know how you get on with the theme. Let me know what you love about Popcorn version 2. I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a comment below. And yeah, until next time, bye for now.